There we go. Think you can see us? Scooch down. You want to say something?
Hi.
Hi. Who are you saying hi to?
You?
To me? Well, you can say hi to your grandma or somebody. We'll send this to Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. And Grandpa? Which grandma? All of them? You got 3. Right?
Yeah, because I wrote off.
Oh, because of this? What about your other 2 grandmas? What's this? What's on there?
I don't know.
I don't either. So what are we doing today? Is it Ian's birthday?
Uh-huh.
It is. And are we waiting for something?
Uh-huh.
What are we waiting for?
Pizza.
Pizza. What kind did we get?
Domino.
Domino's. What flavor? What do you want? Cheese?
Cheese.
Okay. We're going to get a cheese pizza. And then we're going to have what after we have pizza?
Cake.
Yeah. Yum. Did you help me make the cake?
No, because you didn't let me.
Because I was in a hurry. I'm sorry. Is that okay?
No.
No? You wanted to help, didn't you?
Yeah, I wanted to help put on the candle.
Maybe next time.
Okay.
How about when we make your cake?
For my birthday party. The
What are we going to have?
The
You want an Oreo cake like Sawyer's? You want the Oreo cake?
No, I want to, one that's for the, worms and dirt.
Oh, worms and dirt. You don't want a birthday cake?
No, I just want worms and dirt. Worms and dirt.
Well, that's
Oreo
easy.
cake. I want that one, but
And no cake. Do we put the candle in your worms and dirt?
No, because it's all crunchy.
So where do we put the candles?
In the white spot.
Okay. And what else are we going to have for your birthday? How old are you going to be?
2.
2? You're going to be 2 next?
No! No, tell me.
How old are you going to be?
I don't know.
You going to be 5? 5. What a big girl. Well, that's pretty cool, Liza. All right, you want to say goodbye?
No, I want to say my question.
You want to what?
My question.
You want to what?
My what?
More words? Oh, okay. Well, what do you want to say? Anything?
Chicken head.
Chicken head. Okay. Anything else? That's what you call Mr. Eric, right?
No, I call him banana head.
He's a banana head.
Call him daddy.
And Daddy's a banana head, too. He doesn't like bananas.
Well, I like to be one.
He wants to be a banana?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. All right. Are we done now? Okay. Can you say goodbye?
Bye-bye.